Welcome back to this video. If you have Android phone and you really want to increase your storage capacity on your Android phone with this great feature of low storage management on your Android phone, what you need to do is to simply enable this particular feature I'm about to show you in this tutorial. By enable the feature of low storage management, you'll be able to increase the storage capacity of your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. The next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in storage. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on storage right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And then right here, low storage management. Make sure you turn this button on. Some third-party apps restricted for starting while storage is low. Apps already in the background are not affected. Simply click on enable. With that, you have a click on enable. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean up. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on clean. It's as simple as that. Next thing you can do is to simply go back and back. And you can clean up as many as possible files under your memory right here. We have images. Click on images and see some of the files that you will need to clean up right here. So most importantly is to make sure that you turn on low storage management. And with that, you are going to have more storage capacity on your Android phone. That's simple as that. So basically, this is one of the great features that you need to enable right now in order to increase the storage capacity on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.